Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I haven't got my caffeine in me yet. A little tired. Hold on. Just getting this sent out everywhere. And then we're ready to rock. All right. Let's do this. Good morning, squad. Who we got in here? We got Eric, Matthew, David, Chuck, Richard, Nate, Matthias. I think it's how you say it. Juan, 81 kg, Dominic, Nate. I'm not going to try to pronounce that name, but we'll just say UNK. SoCal, Devin, JJ, TJ, Nate, Brian, HD, David, John, David again, Chuck. Good morning. Hold on. There we go. How'd everybody do yesterday? Bangers on bangers. Literally. So many bangers yesterday. The main trade yesterday was this liquidity sweep on ES. We went long on SPY. Caught this thing right up into my reject. Where's yesterday's price action? Over here. We ended up going long on this candle right here. Stop loss was right below 42.13, 42.12, and we were able to catch this all the way up into my reject. All the way up into it. It's a 5-minute time frame. Boom. Reject. And then what did we do? We flipped short. And then boom. Hold on, I'm messing with Grizzly right now. All right. And then I also caught a power hour trade. Not really a power hour trade, but it was like a end of day lotto. They actually went like, I think it was a little over 200% in after hours. But just basic pivot low, pivot high, 61.8, nice little move up, 100% on the contracts. All right. Let's do this. You guys ready to rock and roll today or what? All right, I need to stop talking to Grizzly. Thank you. Hit 63K yesterday. You guys are crazy. I want to hit 70K by the end of the year. Maybe even 75. I want 100K next year so bad. So bad. But let's hop into this analysis. Let's get rocking and rolling. Let's see what we like, what we don't like. And let's find some bangers today. Again, let me know how you guys did yesterday. Make money, lose money, take no trades. Let me know in the chat. How'd you do? Yesterday's reject was just a 1 hour 21 EMA. It's an area I really like to use for rejects. We're getting really close to that 4 hour 21 EMA that could come into play today, especially because we also have this previous support into resistance plus the 4 hour 21. So I like this this like 42.80 level. You can see we've had price action in the past up to 42.38.25. So this could be my little reject level today. So that's going to be the main reject. If we were to start pushing higher, we're going to have to use a daily fib. Yeah, I mean, if we were to push higher, it would be this level right here. Keep in mind, we did bounce off the 61.8 yesterday. Right there on ES. So pretty nice reaction off that level. Obviously, if we start closing below that, then I think we can go a lot lower. But after that, I mean, I'd really only be interested in here to here. But we got a while to go until that. So take off that 61.8, boom. Like I said, 42, 42.80, 42.83.25 looks to be the main area I'd really be interested in. 4,300, obviously psychological. Plus we had tons of price action previously. 4,300 right there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for ES. I don't see any other good fibs. Cool. Let's do this. Boom. All right. So, yes, it's done. Let's hop into SPY real quick and hold on. Let's get the book pinned in the chat. And let me tell you, I decided that I am working on book number 3, but this is going to be the last book that I am probably ever going to write because they take so long and so much effort. But it's not going to be on swing trading. I do want to say that. It is not going to be the new age of swing trading. It's actually going to be something completely different. So, going out with a bang on the third one, that's for sure. Oh, of course it's going to be too long. Hold on. There we go. If you guys want to get the last book that I just released, The New Age of Day Trading, you get it using that link right there, and it's pinned in the comments. Alrighty, so daily. 61.8 on SPY. We hit 50, close below, or actually no, we closed above the 50. If we're gonna go lower, we need to close below this low. Next area would be 410.75. After that, we don't have any good fibs for a while. We do have some price action right here around this 415 psychological. 415. Boom. And then if we're going to look for a reject, hit high, hit it low. 428, 430.37. Same thing, this entire area, like 425 to 424.25. The entire area is huge. All the way down into here. Plus we had that 4-hour 21 EMA. So, gonna watch that area. Possible reject. Break through it, look for more upside, look for those up there. As far as bounces, I mean, really not too interested in any. Maybe if we actually got down towards yesterday's lows, but yeah, I mean, main thing I'd look for is rejects or an uptrend I'd trade. So that is everything on SPY. Yes, let's do NQ. Huh, maybe an autobiography one day. We'll see. And Q still holding that low, I believe. I guess it's not a fib. Okay, so fibs, not until way down there. Reject, not till way up here. And Q finally tested that 4-hour 21. As far as a bounce, this 1-hour squeeze. I mean, if we went back into a squeeze, then delete that and hold that 21 EMA, then maybe. But yeah, if we break above yesterday's high, look for the uptrend into these rejects. Again, really no good bounces until way down there. We just got QQQ, and then we can hop into the individuals. Hey, maybe one day we'll get a Netflix documentary. You never know. Never know where life will take you. Tell you what, I have to be doing a lot more than what I'm doing right now to get a Netflix documentary. Would be dope though. 362.40, we're at 357, quite a ways away. We got down to 350, would be interested in the bounce. Same thing, 1 hour squeeze. It's really going to depend on this, if we can hold this 1 hour 21 EMA. Get above yesterday's high, look for the uptrend entry into the rejects. Bounces, I mean, maybe 355. But other than that, not too interested. Cool. All right, well, that is everything. That is everything. Yeah, if you're a bootcamp member, the video that I literally just uploaded on Saturday or Sunday, whatever day I uploaded it, this one right here, my new favorite trading model, that's exactly why we took the trade yesterday. That exact video breaks the entire thing down. And then if you're also in Team Bull, you have access to the trade recaps from yesterday. The entire reasoning behind it, which also, if you're a YouTube channel member, I'm going to figure out how to post the trade recaps for you guys too. So if you have access to Team Bull, you have access to the trade recaps. And then if you're a YouTube channel member, you'll also have access to them. All right, let's hop into individuals. What do we like? Start going through the weekly watch list first. Google hit that 50% yesterday. Unfortunately, we couldn't get it. We were trading SPY, but if you got it was on the watch list. I'm pretty sure we put it on the watch list yesterday. But yeah, 134.22 right off of it. Boom, nice move. Unfortunately, don't want to chase it up here. Plus, they have earnings today, so we'll just wait for the earnings. Netflix doing the same thing. Still holding that 1 hour squeeze yesterday. Looks like it wanted to fire up. It's going to go on the watch list. We're going to watch uptrend entry. On this, only reject is going to be for... Where did those come from? Okay, so we got a couple different rejects. This one, not too interested in. 414.87, 431.42. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Bounce, 1 hour, 21 EMA, around 405. So we'll keep an eye on that today. Let's see, Netflix, and then we had Tesla, which had a really nice move yesterday. So close to the bounce. $2 off. Unfortunately, did not want to give it. Tesla, if it could get up towards 222.60, maybe a reject up there. Maybe not a super high probability, but I'd be willing to watch it. Tesla. And then we had swings that were on watch. UEC. I was looking for the equity. Unfortunately, wasn't able to get that. Was looking for the retest of the 21 EMA on the daily for the move back up into the highs. Couldn't get that. CAT. Looking for more of a pullback there. Going to wait till 238.36 if earnings don't come first. And then CRWD actually hit the level and nuked yesterday. So does not look like we are going to get that one either. Alrighty. Let's go through the actual day trading stocks. What we got? We got Apple, which I already know for a fact that I do not care about. AMD's chilling at 100. Kind of just got this little fallen wedge right here on the 1 hour. So maybe that comes into play later this week. Maybe it comes into play today. We'll just set an alert. There we go. Amazon. If anything, I'd be interested. 129.63 possible reject. They report in 2 days. So honestly, yeah, no, we're not going to touch that. We're going to wait for the earnings. Boeing, don't care about. Baba, don't care about. Coin ripping. I do know Bitcoin's been going crazy. New yearly highs. Finally broke out of that consolidation. Crypto portfolio is looking mighty nice. I'll tell you what, if somebody can guess one of my crypto portfolios, we're going to go with the Robinhood portfolio. If you can guess the closest one percentage-wise, how much it is up all time, I'll send you a book for free. A book for free if you can guess it. Let me see what it's sitting at. I literally just looked at it earlier. Let's see, all time. Closest one percentage-wise. We're gonna get the screenshot. We're gonna hide the balance, obviously. Hold on. All right, there's a screenshot. Damn, you guys are lowballing me. What is this? Lowballing. I'll tell you it's in the triple digits. But let's see, we got Tesla. I'll let you guys continue to do that. Let's see. Last thing we looked at was coin. I want to put coin on the list, by the way, just because crypto's hot right now. Coin, GLD. Okay, so we're still waiting for that pullback on GLD. Like I said, it's pretty overextended. It's in a 4-hour squeeze, so maybe that takes a little bit. We looked at Google, Meta. They report, what is that, tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow, so we're not going to touch that. Microsoft reports tomorrow, we're not going to touch that. Netflix, already on the list. NVDA, if I'm going to be interested in this, it would be a reject. 441. All right, one person is the closest so far. Give you guys a couple more minutes to guess. If anybody can get it closer, then you will win. Okay, we looked at Shopify. I don't care about SPX. Where are we at with that? I mean, if we got back down towards 4,200, but we have a nice gap up this morning, so I don't think that's going to happen. Yeah, nothing I'm really too interested in on SPX. And we looked at Tesla. Cool. So Netflix, Tesla, Coin, NVIDIA are the individuals that I like. All right, you guys ready? Hold on, let me get the winner real quick. Where'd he go? Where'd you go, my guy? I literally just saw it. There he is. All right. The Robinhood crypto portfolio. 713%. So, whoever said 700%, Demi, I think your name was? No? Where'd he go? Demi, you're my man. Hit me up on Instagram. Show proof that that is your YouTube account, and you get a free book on your way. My man, Demi. 713%. My man, Demi. Told you I invested into crypto very early. Still buying. I actually just bought some more Bitcoin and Ethereum yesterday. I think like Thursday or Friday I bought more. But all right, what time is it? 8:27. Do we have economic news today? Welcome to the channel member squad. Hold on one second. I'm about to shout you out. I'm pulling up the economic calendar. Who joined? What's your name? I don't want to mess it up. Casas? Is that how you say it? I definitely botched that. But yes, I highly recommend reading the first book and then the second book. All right, so we got PMI, or services PMI, manufacturing PMI at 9:45. So nothing at 8:30. Cool. Who's this dude adding me on Twitter? All right, let's rock and roll. Let's do this. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. We got 180 people in here, 95 likes. If you guys want this watch list, make sure to run it up. So, individuals. Netflix still looks spicy. Watch that uptrend entry. Maybe just a break above pre-market highs for a scalp. We'll see. But I do like that. More than likely, want to put it on the watch list. Tesla. It's eWhisper on Twitter. Just look them up on the weekend. Like I said, with Tesla, would be more interested in the reject. But I think the two that I want to roll with is going to be Coin and Netflix. Let's see, we're gapping up to 83. We have a nice daily squeeze. 86.7 is resistance. Baby fib would be there to there. We got room. Got a little bit of resistance over here, which is essentially our pre-market high. Might be off by a few cents. I would say, hell yeah, we should put it on the list. Me gusta mucho. Bounce around 80. High risk breakout above 84.3. Really depends on liquidity. So it looks like Netflix and Coin are going to be the individuals that we like. Check liquidity real quick. Netflix. Yep, tons of liquidity in Netflix. We're good with that. Coin. Let's see, we're looking for the break of 84.3. We'd go with the 85s. Perfect. Tons of liquidity. If we got the 80 bounce, $81 calls, tons of liquidity. We are good. All right. What time is it? It's only 8:30. Nothing on Boeing. Again, I don't really trade Boeing. It's been a while. All right. So, like I said, I'll watch this 425 level, but if we clear that, looking for more upside. So let's start getting this bad boy typed out. And again, gotta hit the like goal if you guys want this watch list. 200 likes is the goal. SPY. 425 is a big level. We clear that. I will be looking for a reject at 428. No good bounces as of now. QQQ. No good rejects until 362.43. In the meantime, we'll look for up an entry. Bounce 355. Netflix. Looking for an uptrend entry. And coin. Bounce at 21 EMA. High risk breakout. See if I can remember the level. Above 84.3. Oops, there we go. 84.3. Was that the level on coin? Yes, it was. There we go. Bang. So, it's only 8:33 and we got this watch list done. Crazy. Now you guys just need to hit 200 likes or I'm going to sit here and start singing. Ooh, you guys need a lot more. You guys need 80 more likes. Questions. What you guys got? You got stocks you want me to look at? Trading questions in general? Type them in the chat. Once we hit 200 likes, I'll give you guys a watch list and I'll say adios. And then be ready to crush it for the day. Hut. Speaking of Hut, I was supposed to go out and get a tour of their mining facility eventually. Decent amount of volume yesterday. It's a nice little breakout. Nice little break. Oh, good old time or the good times of Hut. That was fun time. Fun time. Made so much money off of that. But hey, if you want to trade Hut, I'd watch that 1 hour 21 EMA. Mara. Same thing. Would watch that 1 hour 21 EMA. Riot. Same thing. 1 hour 21 EMA for bounces. What we got? No way I'm singing some Nickelback. I was going to live trade today, but to be honest with you guys, when I woke up this morning and was like chilling on the couch, I really did not feel like live trading. So we are going to do it. I just got to be in the mood to live trade. So if I don't get one by Thursday, then we are 1 million bajillion% live trading on Friday for some Lotto Friday fun. %. I go to pick up the Tesla November 1st. I'm excited. I'm hyped. Yes, Tesla. If anything, I'd watch a 4 hour 21 EMA reject. 222.64 is where I would personally watch. Other than that, not really seeing any good rejects. Yeah, okay. And then we got that daily gap right there. But not too interested. I live trade on here and I live trade inside of Team Bull. Not like live trade inside of Team Bull with my screen, but I trade live in the voice. And then when I live trade on YouTube, I'm actually sharing my screen. Yes, indeed. Nah, I don't play earnings. I gotta be in a really good mood to trade earnings and be a little degenerate. Let's give the squad the watch list inside of Team Bull, though. Everything I'm watching today. All right, if you're in Team Bull, you got the watch list. Yeah, HD, the liquidity's not good. I personally wouldn't. Used to be good back in the day. Like you could get a nice entry, the spreads were tight, there was liquidity, but now there's just not really any. What other questions do we got? MS, Morgan Stanley. I personally hate all bank stocks. Don't like them. I don't own a single bank in any of my portfolios. So, technicals on this thing, I mean, it would have to close above that 71.89. It's a big level, monthly squeeze firing down. 68, actually. This bad boy's going on the swing list. We can tap that 68.50. I'd be willing to try it. If it has a nice reaction off of it, take a bounce. That doesn't look bad. So hopefully we can get down there. Set an alert. Boom. But could play out exactly like Coca-Cola. Pivot low, pivot high, 50% retracement, nuclear. Oh, and they reported earnings. Took that to my advantage, added to it on the long-term portfolio. Who else reported today? We had Verizon. Good. One of my largest losses in my portfolio. Hold on. Let's see how much we're down on the Verizon investment. How much are we down on Verizon? We are down 32.47% now. Not too bad. Average cost $48.27. Not too bad. I start live streaming. Oh my god, live streaming every single day around 8 o'clock, 8 to 8:10. I might drive the Tesla into an ocean. We'll see. See how I'm feeling. I don't know if we're going to hit the like goal today, everybody. I guess everybody's sleeping in. We need what? We still need 56 likes. Ooh. Rough. And no, I'm not barking. Alrighty. What other questions we got? CVM. Penny stocks, I don't touch. Not my cup of tea. And thank you. Thank you for the compliment about the book. General Electric, what happened with them? Nice. Looks like you're about to have a nice morning. T. I own it. Am I adding more? Absolutely not. I don't really see a future for that company, but I'm also not selling it, if that makes sense. So personally, for me, no buy. I'll just hold what I have. Palantir, we talked about this. That weekly is going to be big, but their earnings are coming up. It might just sit here and squeeze until they get their earnings out at the end of the month. And then from there, it'll dictate which direction. So. I mean, Ocean City's not too far. Jersey's not too far. Might go see GD at the end of next month. See how I'm feeling. What other questions? No trading questions? Stocks? Nothing? We need 40 likes. 40 likes, you guys get it. Spotify report? That used to be a really fun stock to trade. Way back here. What, 2020, 2021? Yeah. That was a very fun stock to trade. Not so much anymore. I mean, decent. Decent gap up. Nothing crazy. Yeah, so I've been playing around with zero DTs more since writing that book, but it has to do with the volatility, right? Like newer traders, if you've been trading your first year or 2 years, or maybe you just started, I highly suggest not trading zero DT options because they move so quick and it's very easy to get screwed, especially if you don't know what you're doing and you don't know how to identify invalidation points. So those Monday, Wednesday, Friday expirations, what it does is it, one, decreases the volatility. Yeah, the contracts aren't going to move as much, but obviously there's pros and cons to everything that we do as traders. So zero DTE, yeah, the contracts are cheaper, but you can get screwed a lot easier, right? Like 50 cents on a zero DTE, you might lose 30, 40, maybe 50%, depending on one, how much are the contracts and when are you trading them. But 50 cents on something that expires in 2 days could be 10, 15%. So it's just personal preference. But I've been playing around more with zero DTE. I am starting to like them, but still, I highly suggest if you're newer or first year or two, I wouldn't trade those zero DTs until you're really, you start getting really good at trading and consistent. And understanding, okay, I could get really screwed with zero DT because we traded, what was it, last Monday maybe? Last Monday on the small account. And it was zero DTs on QQQ. I wonder if I can find the day and show you. What day was it? Let's see, today's Tuesday. Here's Monday, Thursday, Wednesday. We gotta go one more day. It was either Monday or Tuesday. I can't remember which day. Yeah, it hit my, no. I can't remember what day it was. Maybe I have a screenshot of it. Let's see, losing. Is this it? Is this QQQ? Yes. So I tried to reject QQQ. Right? Started at the 50, added more because we started rejecting the level, and then this big candle, it really screwed those contracts. Right? If you were trading something that was 1 day out or 2 day out, I think I lost like, I want to say 40% on this trade on the zero DTEs. If you were trading something tomorrow, the following day, or 2 days till expiration, it wouldn't have been anywhere near 40%. Now, if you oversize, right? Like say you buy 10 contracts, right? Like I always say, if you're going to trade zero DT, use a smaller size because that percentage loss can really get to you. If you buy 10 contracts of tomorrow's expiration and you just go and buy 10 contracts today's expiration, the loss is going to be larger. Does that make sense? Hopefully I'm wording all that correctly. So yeah, it's really personal preference, but you got to be careful. Uh-oh, did it do liquidity sweep? They have. All right, how many more likes do we need? We need 25 more likes. If you guys want this watch list, post it in the chat. $25 more. Can you do it? You guys got 4 minutes to do it. As a channel member now, you have access to my entire bootcamp. So make sure you go through all the bootcamp videos. That's going to help you out a lot. Man, hopefully it doesn't break. What was the other one we were watching? Coin. Cool. There you go. Now you guys are cranking. 8 more. 7 more. Getting there. 4 more. And also make sure you guys are subscribed. I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Over 800 videos on this channel. Teaching you on how to trade. Well, now 785 because I deleted some old videos. But pretty much 800 videos teaching you how to trade. All right. And there it is. 200 likes. Look at you guys. So, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. So, first, SPY. Second, QQQ. Netflix. And coin. And remember, all of this is just the plan for the day. The plan can change. The market can go straight up. The market can go straight down, etc., etc. Right? So that's just the game plan for the day. It could change. It could work out to a T. Our job as traders is to look for any high probability trades and then take them and use proper risk. So that's everything I'm watching today. Let's crush it. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10-15 minutes. Other than that, make sure you guys tap in tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time, like 8 to 8:10. Have the bell notifications on so you do know when I go live. Other than that, everybody have a blessed day. Let's make some money. And I will talk to everybody tomorrow. And Demi, hit me up on Instagram. You get the book.